Get excited about the 2020 Ram 1500. This four-door, five-passenger truck stands out among competitors in its class. It features four-wheel drive capabilities, a durable automatic transmission, and a powerful 8-cylinder engine. Comfort and convenience were prioritized within, evidenced by amenities such as front fog lights, a trailer hitch, and power windows. Power adjustable pedals allow the driver to optimize his or her driving position, enhancing visibility, comfort, and safety. For drivers who enjoy the natural environment, a power moonroof allows an infusion of fresh air. Audio features include an AM/FM radio and 10 speakers, providing excellent sound throughout the cabin. Safety equipment has been integrated throughout, including traction control, ignition disabling, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control stands out as a technologically savvy innovation, keeping you better connected to the road. Our sales reps are knowledgeable and professional. We are here to help you.